Hi there! In this video, I would like to share with you one of my experiment designs as an example of how to fill in an experiment design document. Okay, let's start then. I'm designing an experiment for the basic level of experiment design, level 1. And at this level, I'm guided by the fact that there is a very high probability that someone somewhere in the world already did a similar experiment to the one that I want to do. So at level 1, I want to focus on finding these existing solutions and learning as much as possible from them. I've got here the template presentation I downloaded from the collaboratory environment, and I will fill in this document by simply editing this template. In the experiment design document, there is 7 sections to be filled in. The basic information of the experiment, experiment background, the hypothesis, the metrics, prediction, execution plan, and self-evaluation. So let's go through them one by one. In the basic info section, first I should write the name of the experiment. I will call it the reinforced ice experiment. I will put my name as I'm the one who is doing the design and the date when I fill in this document. The next section is experiment background. So I got this great idea the other day. Mars has water and it's always cold there. So why not try to use ice to solve all construction related problems? I know ice is fragile a bit, but something can maybe be done to make it stronger. So I would like to test this idea very fast. So next, I must define the hypothesis that I want to be tested. I will fill it in as follows. Can you notice here the form I'm using when I'm writing? I have here the if and then form. Let's step back a bit to remember the definition of a hypothesis. Hypothesis is the most important part of experiment design. It defines the actual idea that is being tested. That is why it is very important that hypothesis is formed in a way that it's clear and understandable to all team members, and that it's formulated in a way that it can actually be tested. A simple way to form a hypothesis is to think of it as it has 2 parts. A, which is the action to be tested, and B, the effect of that action. So you can think of it as A is a specific idea we expect to cause B to happen. Or simply put, if I do A, then B will happen. So once again, let's go back to the document and read it. If some other material is mixed into water, then the frozen mixture will produce stronger ice. Moving on to the next section, the metrics section. Here, I must define how I will make the actual observation or the actual measurement of the parts of my hypothesis. At this level of experiment design, I want to first find out if someone else has already done a similar experiment. I could, for example, ask my friends or professors or other experts, or search the web. Finally, I decided to do a simple Googling for existing solutions. Only thing I have to do is come up with some clever keywords. Maybe reinforced ice, or stronger ice, or mixture could work. Now Google is full of information nowadays, so the reliability of my results really depends on the type of documents I will find. Probably scientific results are the most reliable ones. To finalize my design, I must plan when I will do which task. Let's say tomorrow from 4 to 6 p.m. I can search the web and prepare a summary presentation of what I found to share it with my teammates. Finally, the teachers also asked for self-evaluation essay. I will use this part to write all the things I did for this assignment and what was easy and what was hard. They can then this way give me feedback and help me maybe in areas I had problems with. Great, now this is done. I will submit it to the assignment section of the Learning Path. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, you can always ask me or my colleague Heikki at our workshops. Now, try to do your own very first experiment design following my steps. Good luck!